Between work, school, and life, it feels like there's never enough time, but the right apps can help. Here are 5 powerful apps that actually save you time every single day. App 1. Todoist. Let's start with Todoist. Think of it as your digital to-do list. You can set deadlines, reminders, and recurring tasks. It even integrates with your calendar so you always know what's next. Instead of sticky notes everywhere, all your tasks live in one place. App 2. Notion. Next is Notion. It's like a digital notebook, but way smarter. You can use it for class notes, project planning, habit tracking, basically anything. The best part? You can customize it exactly the way you work, so it becomes your personal productivity hub. App 3. Grammarly. Writing emails or reports? Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, and tone instantly. No more wasting time proofreading. It even suggests shorter ways to write, saving minutes that add up fast. App 4. Trello. Trello is a project management app, but it's super visual and easy to use. You organize tasks into boards and cards. Drag and drop them as you make progress. Perfect for team projects or even planning personal things like a vacation or wedding. App 5. Pocket. And finally, Pocket. Every time you find an interesting article or video but don't have time right then, just save it to Pocket. Later, you can go through your saved list without getting lost in endless scrolling. It's a time saver and a focus booster. So there you have it. Todoist, Notion, Grammarly, Trello, and Pocket. Each one helps in a different way. Whether it's managing tasks, writing better, organizing projects, or saving content for later. Want more app and tech tips that save you time? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for weekly videos.